The levee's gone and there's no one here to help you now.
Hi, I'm John McCann from Survival Resources. We have a new product and I thought I'd do a quick video to introduce it to you. It's called the LuminAid LED Solar-Powered Light. This is what it looks like. It's a very small unit when it's folded up. What I like about this is it can be used for emergency preparedness or for camping. If you want to carry this, say, on your pack, it has a handy little loop on the top here that you can stick a carabiner into, and you can hang this off your pack so that the sun can recharge this while you're hiking, or you could hang it around camp so that it faces the sun. What we do here, and this video is being photographed today at our home because I want to be able to show how this light illuminates different areas of a home. So I wanted to make that clear that I'm not at the office. Okay, this can be inflated to become an actual lantern, or it can be used to float. Once this is inflated, it floats. It's very easy to inflate. You unsnap the side and it just opens up like this. There's a little valve at the top that you blow air into. And it's that quick. Doesn't take much air to blow it up. And this is what it looks like. It has two settings, a low setting and a high setting. This will be a lot more apparent when we wait for it to get dark tonight, and we'll show you how this actually illuminates almost an entire room. But it is inside this non-clear type plastic. So what it does is it gives a luminescence and allows this light to glare all over, not glare, but to illuminate the area better. There's a carry handle on it. There's also two small holes on it, so you could strap this to something with a piece of parachute cord or a piece of string. You can carry it around the house with you to illuminate different areas as you're walking around. I really like this because it packs flat. You can carry this in a jacket pocket, throw one in each of your packs, or hang one off your pack. What I'm going to do is show you how easily this deflates once you pull the valve out of this, which, as you can see, is done rather easily. It just goes down very low, folds this way, and then this little snap comes around and snaps back on front. It's that simple. This is a great little device. I really think for emergency preparedness, for when the electric goes out, it gives you a lot of options. You can read with this. You set this next to a book. It's be very easy to read with it. You can walk around the house with it. You can go through various areas. You can set it up in a room. Just set it on a counter. Set it on the floor if you wanted to. If you had to go into the head, you could go in and set that in there to get in the bedroom at night, to be able to get prepared, get the blankets down. This is a handy little device. It's called the LuminAid Solar-Powered Light. I'm going to stop the video here, and what we're going to do is we're going to wait till it gets dark, and I'm going to show you how this illuminates everything from this area here to our pantry to the bedroom, and then we'll come back and we'll do a closing for you. See you real soon. Okay, as you can see, we're back at one of my sets of bookshelves. I'm going to have Denise again turn off the light, and we're going to show you how this works in this area. One click, two clicks. As you can see, this is now on. If you take this and turn it away from the camera, you can see that there is a tremendous amount of ambient light here that could be utilized to come out here. If you want to come out and select a book, there'd be no problem at all. You can then use this light to read the book. So this is a very handy device. What we're going to do now is move on to the bedroom. Okay, as you can see, I'm sitting on the end of my bed. Before we turn the lights off, what I'd like to explain to you is we've done a test on this, and we noticed that our camera is not quite sensitive enough to pick up the amount of light that we're seeing. When we turn the lights off in here and turn on the LuminAid, we see a tremendous amount of ambient light, but for some reason my camera's not sensitive enough to pick it up. You will be able to see that there's more than enough light in here for you to be able to get in bed, to get undressed, and that type of thing. So at this point I'm going to have Denise turn the lights out again. As you can see, I now have the LuminAid on. And what I'm going to do is just sort of walk around. And as you can see, there's a lot of ambient light in here. You can see the bed. You can see the end tables. I'm going to walk around to this side. As you can see, there's a lot of light in here. Not as much as we see right now, but you can see that there is a lot of ambient light in the room in order for you to see what's going on in here. Anyway, this is the test done in the bedroom. Hi, as you can see, I'm down in our pantry. This is the main pantry in our house. What this pantry does is feeds our secondary pantry, which is upstairs, and that is what we draw from. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have my wife Denise turn off the light, and I'm going to turn this on. Okay, as you can see with this, there's quite a bit of light, but as you turn this towards something in a room, you can see you could very easily go through this and be able to see what is on the shelves down here. Anyway, this is a handy device. As you can see, I'm holding it by the handle as I'm walking around down here, and I would use this to continue upstairs in order to get back up to the house. Well, there you have it, the LuminAid LED lantern light. Great for emergencies. As always, I want to thank you for joining us. Be sure to check out our other products and articles at survivalresources.com. I thank you for your continued support, and I'll see you next time around.